How you doing?
I'm good. Super
Excellent.
excited.
I'm Yoshi.
Leslie.
Leslie, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
First time skydiving for you?
Yes.
Nice. Are you doing this for any kind of reason?
My son's 18th birthday.
Happy birthday! Woo! Nice.
Yes.
That's his first time getting a plane, huh?
Yes,
And
his
jumping
first time
out.
in a plane, his first time
That's
out.
gonna be so
Yes.
exciting. Cool. All right, so smile for the camera, okay? And then make sure you have a good arch going
Uh-huh.
as soon as you leave the plane.
Okay.
Okay, so that way you're gonna be stable, nice and quick,
Right?
and you're gonna have a good skydive.
Yep.
And you can have a good video.
Yes.
All right?
Perfect.
Very nice. All right, let me ask a couple questions. Do you know how high you're going today?
14,000 feet.
Yep. Do you know how fast you'll be going to free fall?
120 miles an hour.
Yeah. The last question. How high are you going to open your parachute? Save yourself.
6,000 feet.
Yeah. Okay, so check out the middle of your hand.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you get about 7,000 feet, start pulling. Because
Okay.
sometimes it's just kind of hard to find that handle.
Okay.
And if not, I'm sure the instructor Bix will be pulling for you.
Yes.
So don't sweat. Just relax and have a good time, yeah?
All right. Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Anything you want to say to people watching the video before we go?
Just super excited.
All right.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's do this.
Yep.
Have fun.
Thank
Let me
you.
get your son. Woo!
What is this? 39?
Have fun, dude.
99?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. 997?
Yeah! You made it!
I made it.
Nice job!
Thank you.
What do you think? Was it
That
fun?
was awesome. Yeah,
Oh.
it was amazing.
Yeah, I can see that. You're having fun in free fall.
Yes.
So which part, the best part for you?
Of course the free
The
fall.
free fall, huh?
Of course, yes.
What do you think about that coming out from airplane, the exit?
That was a moment of scaredness.
Right.
A little bit, but yeah, it was awesome.
It's a crazy
I was-
part.
It was more, I saw him go right before me.
Oh,
so I
that's
was like,
right.
there we
Oh,
go.
yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. So,
Did you like it?
Yeah.
It was awesome, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Are your ears hurting?
Yeah.
A little bit?
woo. So one question, would you do this again?
Absolutely.
92?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right on. Let's skydive.
Yes.
All right, can I get you two first?
Okay,
Picture?
okay.
All right, big smile. Excellent. And now I want to get the picture with the instructor, Joe.
Like, I got a job to do over here.
All right, big smile. Excellent. Nice job, Joe.